Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of bank checks, specifically cashier's checks, and whether you can get them from Ally Bank. Let's face it, checks aren't exactly the hippest way to pay these days. But sometimes, they're the preferred method, especially for larger transactions like security deposits on apartments or down payments on cars. That's where cashier's checks come in. They're essentially guaranteed funds from the bank itself, offering peace of mind to both the payer and the receiver. But can you, as an Ally Bank customer, get your hands on a cashier's check? Let's find out. Ally Bank and cashier's checks. Ally Bank is a popular online bank known for its high-interest savings accounts and user-friendly online platform. However, Ally Bank operates primarily online, with a limited physical branch presence. So, the short answer is no, you can't directly get a cashier's check from Ally Bank by walking into a branch. Ally Bank simply doesn't have traditional branches where they can issue these checks. But fear not, Ally Bank account holders. There are still a couple of ways you can get a cashier's check while staying true to your online banking preference. Option 1. Ordering online through a third-party service. There are several reputable online check ordering services that can help you out. These services partner with various banks, including Ally Bank, to process your request electronically. Here's the basic process. Find a trusted online check ordering service. A quick Google search for online cashier's check should give you some options. Make sure to choose a service with a good reputation and user reviews. Initiate the ordering process. You'll typically need to provide your Ally Bank account information, the recipient's name, the amount of the check, and a delivery method, usually overnight or expedited shipping. Pay the processing fee. There will likely be a fee associated with ordering the cashier's check online. This fee can vary depending on the service and the urgency of delivery. Receive your cashier's check. Once the order is processed and the fee is paid, the check will be mailed to you according to your chosen delivery method. Option 2. Transferring funds to an account that offers cashier's checks. This option requires a bit more legwork, but it can be a good choice if you don't want to deal with a third-party service. Here's what you'll need to do. Open an account at a traditional brick-and-mortar bank. This could be your local bank or another national chain. Just make sure they offer cashier's checks. Transfer funds from Ally Bank to your new account. Ally Bank allows easy online transfers between accounts, so moving the necessary funds shouldn't be a problem. Visit your new bank branch and request a cashier's check. With the funds now in your new account, you can walk into a branch and request a cashier's check for your desired amount. Things to consider. No matter which option you choose, there are a few things to keep in mind. Fees. Expect to pay a fee for a cashier's check, whether you use a third-party service or go through a traditional bank. Delivery time. If you need the check quickly, be prepared to pay for expedited shipping through an online service or factor in travel time if using a traditional bank. Minimum amounts. Some banks or services may have minimum amounts required to order a cashier's check. Conclusion. While Ally Bank itself doesn't offer cashier's checks directly, you still have options. Whether you choose the convenience of an online check ordering service or utilize a traditional bank account, you can get the cashier's check you need. End screen. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Ally Bank or finances in general, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Until next time.